What's up, people? You got the Urban Yankee. And I've been getting a lot of comments on YouTube on my channel about my multi-tool PVC sheet. A lot of people like it. They said a lot of nice things about it. They think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool too. It's my own original design. And a lot of people have said that they want to try and make one for their multi-tool. That's cool, that's fine. But I just want to remind people that this is my design, and I will keep my own design. I will market this maybe later if I can find somebody to market it with me. And there's the belt loop. It's got a generous 2-inch gap. It'll fit any belt, any tactical belt, any leather belt. And let's see. It's pretty secured in there. It will not slip out. Okay, so this design came out pretty well, came out nice. I'm really happy with it, and I do a lot of work with PVC. Here's a mount for my Canon camera. Okay, I made this out of PVC. I can strap this to my chest. I'm gonna make a chest harness out of this. Here's another one. This is from my iPod. It's got its own belt loop. And here's one that I made for my tablet. It's got a belt loop too. Okay. I made that out of PVC. And over here I have a bowstring puller out of PVC that I made. Okay, back to the multi-tool. So like I said, this is my own design. If you want to go ahead and make one for yourself, by all means. But as far as trying to marketing my idea, not cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Take care, people. Goodbye.